Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft we're making cereal bird feeders. The supplies we need for this craft are cereal. I have this kind, or you can use the colorful one, and a pipe cleaner. You start with the pipe cleaner and we're going to start putting the cereal on. I have one already started. And since it's winter, we're going to help the birds out, and food is harder for them to find in the winter. So we're going to hang these on trees, and they like cereal, so they'll eat off of it and get some treats. And we're gonna make it into different shapes. I'm gonna choose a heart because it's February, and I like the heart shape, but you can make a circle or any design you want, as long as it'll hang off the tree so that the birds can get it, because birds are looking for food right now, extra food to help them out, and so you want to make sure they have extra snacks. And it'll be fun to watch because you'll get to see tons of birds coming to eat the cereal, and you can watch them eating and playing together. Okay, and I'm going to shape it into a heart. It takes a little bit of effort. There you go. And then we're going to hang that in a tree, and this is our heart bird feeder. We hope you like this craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.